Hi friends, before I show you the black cat extraction, I want you to like my previous video Jai Kailas Vashi Mahashivratri 2019 Bhajan. The URL is in the description. You please share it and like it. And now here the nose you can see, this is the early nose, the before extraction as you have seen, and we'll show the extraction of the nose, the comedones, using the ring part as well as the cup part of the extractor. Slowly and slowly we'll do the extraction. We will clear up all the sebum plugged in the pores and we'll extract fully, and we will show the after photographs of the same nose at the end. So keep patience. As you already know, the open comedones, they undergo oxidation which turns the sebum into the brown color or the dark color. The word comedo has been derived from a Latin word which means to eat up. Earlier it was used to describe that some worm is eating, and here the extraction also shows that some worm-like creature is coming out of the material. Looks like some little worm. Cleaning the nose by scrubbing or washing it too much, it will further irritate the skin. Genes also plays some role. For example, the father and his son or daughter may have the comedone. So this is the case of, this is the son of a old man during the first the comedone that we extracted. So he also came with the same thing. Comedones which are larger than 1 millimeter or greater are said to be macrocomedones. We have cleaned whole of the nose, including the ala of the nose, everything. In our previous series, we have also uploaded the Fabry-Recouchet syndrome, which contained the big comedones, which are usually seen in sun-damaged skin. The content is actually the keratin, the same keratin which you can see in the horns, etc. So this is actually a protein which protects the epithelial cells from stress or the damage, and it is usually insoluble in the water. So all this, they clog these hair follicles, and you can see they are coming out. So keep watching up to the full 6 minutes, and don't forget to share. Thank you for giving your valuable time, and also do not forget to like the video which I said in starting. The description, in description you can see the link, because I have worked hard on that video and that is not giving me the proper results, so it's causing me some sort of feeling that it should go viral. That is, song is beautiful in Hindi language. Anyway, thank you for giving your valuable time.